Hi there. I wanted to show you a product that I've been in love with for years, and I've been taking too long to get this information out to you. This is an academic planner, so for all your students out there who are looking to feel more organized, more control of their time, and to feel better about their day and managing their tasks, this is a critical tool. This is designed by Leslie Josell of OrderOutOfChaos.com. And Leslie is a longtime organizing colleague. She's an accomplished speaker, writer. She contributes regularly to Attitude magazine. So if you've got a child with ADHD, you might already know her name. She's really a genius in understanding the tools and designing the tools that will really help all kids stay on top of their school year. And so I wanted to flag this academic planner because I love it for a couple of reasons. So number one, it's got that year view, so you can keep that at a glance, which is really important because time is so abstract. And of course, it's got a month view for every month of the school year here. So you can write down those deliverables that are coming up. Maybe your vacation is in there. Maybe you've got a team competition for a sport. You can keep that month view of what's coming up ahead close at hand. The real beauty, though, is that Leslie's thought about what kids struggle with. And a lot of the school agendas will have just a place for their daytime school hours where you can write all the classes, and this has it as well, and you can write all the classes once here and then details about what's in each particular class in the block itself. But what the other planners don't necessarily have is space for the unstructured time that your student has. So when they get home from school to when they go to bed, what are they doing? And on weekends? And we all know they have responsibilities for school that they have to attend to, homework and studying for tests, working on group assignments, those kinds of things. They're also going to have their sports time and play with friends and things. So if those commitments are reflected here, then your student can have a more also concrete understanding of the time that they have available for themselves for enjoyment. And so it's building this connection, which I coach adults on because we weren't taught in school. So this is a great tool to add into their kit so that kids can stay organized. Again, you'll find it at OrderOutOfChaos.com. I'll put a link here as well so you can flow through right from the link below. This is the 2021-2022 planner, and it's the smaller version. If you've got a larger printer, somebody who's maybe a little younger or has a challenge writing, you might want to go for this larger version. And you can see the blocks are quite a bit bigger. There's more space to write. It is a little heavier, so there's a trade-off in terms of what you're carrying with you. But choose either of these, and there are a number of colorways and so on to choose from on the site. Choose either of these, and you'll be sure to set your student up for greater success. And beyond that, it's about a feeling of being in control on that student journey. So I wish you all well back with your studies. And again, it's at OrderOutOfChaos.com. And also check out the webinars and learning opportunities that Leslie and her team have put together there. She's really a fountain of knowledge, and it's well worth your while to tap into Leslie's expertise, especially if you've got a child who is neurodiverse, particularly with ADHD. Leslie's got incredible expertise. So check it out, the academic planner from Order Out of Chaos.